This is 10, and this is the quote-unquote 9 placer. Sorry about that. So, try to show you that you can get 10. Hoping I don't dump my tray. Alright. That's 10 of them. You can count and check it. 4, 8, 10. Alrighty. Now, here's like a big spattering of these. I'm trying not to boo-boo this. Right? Just gonna place it. Even though this has the worst looking print on this canvas. Roll in the tens. This is why I might go ahead and get a big tray for big areas like this so I can get them easier. Because the big trays have higher ridges along the ridge area. And so, yeah. That's how you roll on a 10 with a quote-unquote 9 placer, but like I said, you can roll out 10 of them, and I'm just being a little particular with the couple of these, but I'm trying to hold the phone and roll them at the same time on the canvas. So, alright, see you next time.